I'm Wolfgang Odell, Engineering Manager at ZF, and we are a leading technology provider in the automotive industry. We provide technology in the three key areas: passenger vehicles, commercial vehicles, and industrial applications. Trends such as e-mobility, autonomous driving, digitalization, and sustainability are changing our industry significantly. Our biggest pressure is to shorten time to market. We need more agility in our processes and access to real-time product data. For ZF, digital defines physical. The software, mechanics, and electronics come together in a useful flow for our engineers so that they are not separated by silos. Digital also manages physicals, providing a single source of truth for our product data with an open architecture, connected multiple different CAD systems and ERP. Digital connects physical, allowing us to collect data around fuel consumption, driving style, driving behavior, to help us improve our products in the future. Digital augments physical, ensuring workers within our production and test areas have the right asset in front of them and are guided through quality checks. Digital is making it easier for our business to collaborate with a single face to the customer.